Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing another wash and go. It's a wash and go combo, but not only did I do a wash and go, I added some purple color or purple hair butter. I forgot the name of it, but everything that I'll be using in today's video will be in the description bar down below. But if y'all interested in this video, if y'all interested in this wash and go combo, stay tuned. But before we jump into it, y'all already know what I'm about to say. Stop right now, subscribe, and put on your post notification bell so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And let's just jump right into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you all can see, I am showing you guys this purple hair butter because it is going to be the star of this entire video besides my major combo that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Anyway, I am showing you guys the LOC first because these products do play a part in this purple combo, okay? So, as you all know, I start off with my LOC. I did my LOC rather differently in this video. I tried to use all lightweight products, which means not any heavy creams, not any heavy oils, any butters or anything like that. Majority all of my products that I'm using are spray products. So I used my spray leave-in, which was by Cream of Nature, Cantu, one of them. I'll leave it here on the screen. And then I went in with my Luster's S-Curl Moisturizer. You all have seen me talk about this product many times on my channel. I'm going to be coming out with a video about this product, so hold your horses. But anyway, the follow-up product is going to be a very lightweight oil. I don't even know the name of this oil. Is in this bottle. More than likely, it's probably a mixture of different oils, but it is a very lightweight oil. After that, I'm going in with my Wet Lime Extreme Gel. This is probably the only heavy product that I'm going to be applying to this wash and go, but these products combined makes a bomb combo. So you guys, as you all can tell, I'm going to be doing the LOC to every section, and then I'm going to be applying that butter. Those two products are pretty much the heavy products, and everything that I used before then, which is my LOC, is going to be lightweight products, which means that my hair is not going to be heavy. It's not going to weigh the hair down. So I'm going to repeat these steps throughout the video. Y'all continue to watch and wait till the finished results. All right, guys. So this is how it's looking. This is how the wash and go is looking. I will say this is a rather soft but nice hold wash and go. Now, when I normally do my wash and goes are extremely like hard, and I usually have to use a little oil to break the cast. And as days go by, it gets fluffier and fluffier and fluffier. What I did like about the combination of products that I used in today's video is that they're very lightweight, but they pack a lot of moisture in the combination of the products that I use. If I didn't already mention, I used the Cream of Nature coconut milk as a leave-in. It's the detangling and conditioning leave-in conditioner. This stuff right here, bomb. But I use this as the leave-in, and then the only other product I used before I apply my gel was this Curls, Waves, and Natural Hair Luster's X Curl No Drip Curl Activator Moisturizer. Anti-frizz formula, paraben-free, mineral oil-free. I think I've talked about this product at least a couple of times on my channel, but these two together with the Wet Lime Extreme Gel, it's a must. It's a must. You all have to try it. I promise you won't regret it. Now, I've done wash and goes before where I just use like creams and stuff for my wash and goes. But those can turn out a little flaky. They can be a little heavy on the hair. But with these two products, I feel like my wash and go is very light. It's fluffy, but it's packing a lot of moisture and a lot of definition. And on top of applying the products, I also included this purple hair butter, and it did not manipulate the curls in any way. It still feels soft. It still feels defined. This butter right here, I feel like this is one of the best butters I've ever tried as far as hair butter. I did pick this up from my local beauty supply store. I can't pronounce this. I'm not even going to attempt. But if I can find a link to this product, I'll leave it in the description bar down below. Not only do I have it in this color, I think I have blue, and I have like a silver, like grayish color, almost like the sweater that I have on. But the combination of the products that I use gave me so much definition. I like how fluffy and airy and how much movement I have. Now, don't get me wrong. This Extreme Gel is a go-to product of mine. You can use that product alone, but it can be very drying. It gives you a nice firm hold, but applying these two products made that firm hold turn into a nice soft hold. But I feel like I'm gonna still get my 5-day of definition out of this. I'm gonna get my 5-day wear out of this wash and go. So not only am I gonna get my 5-day wear out of the wash and go, I think I'm gonna retain moisture in my hair. I'm gonna retain moisture in my hair the entire 5 days. Like, you guys, I don't feel like it's over moisturized, but I can feel that it's very moisturized, and I believe a lot of that came from this product right here. If you all have not tried this product, I really do recommend it. This is an oldie but a goodie. It's under $5. You are getting 8 ounces of product. The smell of this product is amazing, but I'm almost certain that this had a lot to do with the soft hold. Like, I literally did not have to use oil to break the cast on this wash and go. I am going to stretch the curls because you all can tell I have a lot of shrinkage, but I am going to stretch the curls and get more length out of this wash and go. But I wanted to jump on camera right quick just to show you guys the finished results of the wash and go. But if you all love today's video, you all already know what to do. Hit the like button. Please share, please comment, please subscribe. Put on your post notification bell so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.